Boy, RodThaGod, man. Check me out, man, here on YouTube, man. Check us out, man. We at the capital of the city, the car, truck, and bike show. You know what I mean? So, what I want y'all to do, man, we're going to come inside, man, and check out the cars, man. You know, I got the old Mara out there sitting on nitrous out here, man. We got the models, women out here showing love, the photographers, everybody coming together. We doing our thing, man. You know what I'm saying? RodThaGod TV, baby. Third place though. Man, but tell you, look, that's where the nitrous come out right here. On both sides. Yeah. Yeah, a bit hard, man. Yeah.
I'm gonna show you.
Yeah.
Come out there, I'm gonna show you.
Oh yeah?
On that charger.
Yeah. Oh, you already know. I'm bad.
Oh, my knee hit the button.
Yeah, knee.
Swinging
That knee hit that big. Yeah. Top end, car, and bottom end. Oh, yeah. Big boy wild, man.
Niggas don't understand. This job is tiring at the same time.
Yeah, man.
You come out of Jackson, Mississippi.
Oh, yeah.
Empire, shout out to that thing. Baby,
Hey.
I lost my flag. It's all good, though. For my own, you already know all about it.
Oh, it's just a video.
Yeah. Oh.
To that Trina. Y'all like Trina? Do y'all like Trina? Okay, let's do this, Trina. So the thing with artists is when they don't get that reverse, that reverse back like yeah or no, they get scared and they don't want to sing. I don't care if you clap for me or not, I know I'm bad.
Stop playing with me, Dre.
I know I'm a monster. Huh. I keep on wishing you could be different. Maybe one time I'll be. Yeah. Say I'm impatient, what am I patiently waiting for? This love is critical, don't wanna lose control. Wanna be down for me, but can't do right for me.
Seeing all these cars and shit, hey, it made me think it's more to life than just shit, just sitting around the club partying. And there's cars out here, people getting money and everything, shit. It made me think like shit, I would do the same thing. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, sky's the limit. Big Jeff, real talk.